What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Diverse, man. You feel me? Hey, yo, I just wanted to do a quick video, you know what I'm saying? Chop it up, tell you guys about this cool situation, right? So, listen, I had to reconstruct my credit, you know what I'm saying? My credit dropped a few points. I'm not gonna lie, I dropped a ton, you know what I'm saying? From where I was actually at like a 730, but it dropped like a few hundred points. Just put it like that. Really bad, right? So I got into this new credit rebuilding situation with Self. I don't know if you guys heard about the Self app, but it's called Self. You know what I'm saying? You guys should definitely check it out. It's a credit rebuilding platform that helps you rebuild your credit, basically letting you establish a trade line where you make on-time payments on it each month to month. And in turn, once you make at least 3 on-time payments, they send you a credit card. They send you a secured credit card. I'm gonna do another video about this as regards to Self, but I definitely want you guys to check out my link below of this video. It's gonna be a link that I dropped as far as it's just gonna basically help you get started and basically give you like a bonus referral or a basic bonus sign up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop the link at the bottom. Just make sure you guys go and check it out for yourself. This is no bullshit. I just increased my credit within a month. My credit shot up 40 points. And how I know, you know what I'm saying, when you know your credit shoots up, I have everything set up with alerts. So when my credit drops, it lets me know. When my credit rises up, it lets me know. You know what I'm saying? So definitely check out the Self app. Also Chime. I'm gonna do a video about Chime as well. I really want to do a in-depth video about not Chime but Self as well, because I really don't like to really talk about a lot of credit if I don't really have the card yet myself. But I'm still gonna show you guys the sign up process of how to get started, what to do, and pretty much step-by-step process of how you guys can go about getting the app for yourself and going about establishing your credit. So check that out. Make sure you click the link below. And we definitely, you know what I'm saying, gonna chop it up again about this credit thing, because I want to see people win. I want to see people win. You know, I just don't want to hold the game for myself. It works for me, so whatever works for me, I'm gonna make sure I teach and let people know how I went about it, and what to do to boost your credit up. Like I said, my credit just raised 40 points by just using the app for just 1 month of making on-time payments. I got like 2 full on-time payments. Oh, and another cool thing about it is it's basically a CD. So it's pretty much you putting money into your own security deposit. And after a while, you pretty much can use the money. You can take it out. You pretty much funding and putting money and paying on your own money. You're going to be able to unlock the money. You can switch it over to your credit card, or you can make payments and you basically going to be paying on a loan. Not a loan, but you're making installments on a payment loan that you can pretty much take out for yourself. You know what I'm saying, in the long run. So it's pretty much boosting your credit, and also it's reporting back to the bureaus as well. So it's a win-win, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna drop some more info on that. Peace and love. And I'm gonna chime back in with y'all for sure. Love. So this is Self. You can go on Safari and just type in self.inc or .inc, and pretty much it's just a credit building app, pretty much, you know what I mean? Build credit and savings with Self. You can also download the app. You can download the app by tapping on the top or whatever. But build credit, build dreams. All credit scores welcome. You start by entering your email, basic information to get started. How it works: you build credit while saving money, starting at $25 per month. Number 1, you can apply for a credit builder account. Your money is safe and secure, no hard pull on your credit. 2, you can pay off your credit builder account in a specified amount of time. You can choose the payment term and dollar amount that best fits your budget. 3, each on-time monthly payment builds credit history and adds to your savings. Your monthly payments are reported to all 3 credit bureaus, that's excellent. You know what I'm saying? That's what you really want when you're building your credit. You at least wanted to report to the bureaus. That way you get those increase in points like I was telling you guys. Number 4, you want to unlock your savings. Once you've paid off your credit builder account, your CD unlocks, and the money is yours, minus fees and interest. And I'm gonna break down to you guys what a CD is as well. But that's an excellent thing you can do as well to, you know, build your credit. You get no hard pull. There's no hard pull on your credit when applying for a self-credit builder account. Automated payments. Auto pay can help you stay on track without worrying about due dates. You can track your credit score. Watch how your score changes over time at no extra cost. Reports to all 3 bureaus. Like I was saying, every payment is reported to all 3 credit bureaus, and you can cancel anytime. We know making payments isn't always easy. That's why you can cancel at any time and get your savings progress back, minus interest and fees. So like I was telling you guys, this is where when you get your credit card right here. This is I'm on the route to getting my first credit card with Self. Right now I've made 2 on-time payments and everything is in line. So I'm gonna show you guys my app as well. Keep building with the Self Visa credit card. A Self Credit Builder account can get you access to the Self Visa credit card in as little as 3 months with no hard pull on your credit. So it's basically a secured card. Pretty much your money that you paid or that you've been paying on for those 3 months, you can actually transfer that money over to this card as well. Or you can use it, or you can just leave it as a loan, but you can also transfer that money over to this card and basically use that as credit and leverage as well. And but you know, of course, you don't want to go crazy and be trying to max out something like this. This is for definitely if you want to rebuild your credit and make, you know, yourself look better. These are the different tiers right here. You got the small builder account, which is $25 a month for 24 months. You can get back $520, administrative fee of $9, total payments, etc., etc. You know what I mean? Then it goes over to the 35. You got the medium builder, total payments $840. This is your money though, you feel me? You get back $724 final cost, you know what I mean, to get started. This is the large builder. And the higher you go up, obviously, is the bigger the installment, the bigger the report. So the better you look. You see what I'm saying? So the more you pay, the better you look. I can't remember what I started with. I think I started with I think $35. I think I paid like $30-some a month, something like that, $35 a month, somewhere around there. I think 38, something like that. But this is the large builder, $48 a month, $48 a month. Then it goes over to the extra large builder, which pretty much is just gonna report a larger installment, which is really gonna make you look excellent and boost your credit, maybe even faster, because my points just went up about 40 points within a month, just a month of having Self. So I'm telling you guys, it's definitely a great app to check out. You know what I mean? And so that's Self, and yeah, enjoy. I definitely want you guys to check it out. And I definitely have a referral link for you guys as well that I'm gonna leave at the bottom of this video, so you guys can go and check that out as well, so you guys can get started. And it'll be an easier process for you. So peace and love. So this is my app right now, and currently, as you can see, get the Self Visa credit card to build your credit. Meet the following criteria with your credit builder account to get access. So you can see right now, build $100 in saving progress. I've done over that. I think I got over $100 right now. Keep your account in good standing, and on top it says make 3 on-time monthly payments. You've made 2, only 1 more to go. You see what I'm saying? So, you know, we're on the track to getting this card, and I definitely can't wait to get it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you know what I'm saying? So check it out. This is the amount of money that I put on to the savings currently. This is my next payment due date, you know what I mean, so forth and so forth. This is the referral that I'm gonna leave you guys. You can refer a friend, and once you guys get signed up, you can also refer a friend and receive $10 when they make their first successful loan payment. And I'm gonna give you guys my link, you know what I'm saying, so you can check it out. And yeah, just, you know, some information for you guys to, you know, check out and rebuild your credit for sure. So you guys want to know what a CD is, right? So this is the definition of a CD. A CD is a certificate of deposit, is a low-risk savings tool that can boost the amount you earn in interest while keeping your money invested in a relatively safe way. Like saving accounts, CDs are considered low risk because they are FDIC insured up to $250,000. So basically, it's just a secured way of you putting money on a secured loan that you're paying on to yourself, that's reporting to the bureaus each month on a positive level, on a positive note, that you're making on-time payments each month. You know what I'm saying? Which is going to show that you're responsible. It's going to show that you make your payments on time, and it builds trust. You know what I mean? So, and it's also money that you can use for yourself, you know, for future investments, you know, whatever you want to do. You know what I mean?